most exciting roads. When I wake up in the morning and I'm feeling a little down, don't really have a lot of energy, I say to myself, you know what? I'm going to drive 3 hours and I'm going to find a road with literally nothing on it. Like, this is what I have to resort to at least somewhat feel like the closest I can get in Florida to Wyoming is that I find roads that are like 30 miles long with just nothing on them. Like, is the best I can do. Of course, the plants aren't the same. The heat isn't the same. The fact that there's a car in front of me and a car behind me is already too many cars, and more cars than I see in 45 miles sometime in Wyoming. However, the fact remains that this is the best that it gets for me.